Welcome or welcome back to my channel, and this is Josephine. Today I'm going to be making a super simple and absolutely delicious tomato soup recipe that's perfect for gloomy days like today. I can't wait to share this recipe with you, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and of course let me know what you'd like to see next. So without further ado, let's get started. So for ingredients, you're going to need plenty of tomatoes, as well as a red pepper, sweet one, a red onion, a stock cube, and half a bulb of garlic, as well as some smoked paprika, some coconut milk, and I add chili to mine. This is totally optional, but I like it spicy. I've used some fresh basil, some organic extra virgin olive oil, as well as pepper and salt. So very simple ingredients. I love this recipe because it's so easy to make. So essentially you're just going to roughly dice into quite equal sizes your tomato and place that on some tin foil or a baking dish. And you're going to repeat the same process with the rest of the vegetables. Of course, make sure your vegetables are washed. So here I'm roughly slicing my bell pepper into similar sized pieces as my tomato, then adding it to my foiled sheet, and then I'll be doing the same with the onion, and then with the garlic I'm just taking off the top so that they don't pop in the oven as they roast. I've had that happen to me once, and yeah, then you're essentially done with the preparation of the vegetables. So as you can see, so easy, anyone can do this, no need to eat tomato out of a can. So I'm going to drizzle about a tablespoon or 2 caps full of olive oil over all those vegetables. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just trying to at least lightly coat each vegetable. Then I'm adding a good sprinkle of smoked paprika, and then a generous pinch of salt as well as pepper, before popping this into the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until the vegetables start to caramelize. Whilst those are in the oven, I do my cleanup, as well as I snip off about a handful of fresh basil from the little basil plant that we have in the home, and then I'm going to rinse that off and just prep that by washing them, putting them onto a little plate. I'm also just unwrapping my stock cube, adding about a teaspoon of chili. Again, if you don't like it spicy, you can reduce or completely remove the chili, it's optional. And then about a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And then I'm opening my canned coconut milk, so that's ready to go once everything's ready. As you can see, everything should start to caramelize and look really beautiful. And after about 25 minutes, I'm removing from the oven my lovely vegetables. They're so fragrant and they're so juicy and a little bit caramelized on the top, as you can see here. The caramelization is what brings a lovely sweet flavor to this dish. So as a last step, I'm essentially popping everything into a blender. So I'm starting with the tomatoes, peppers and onion, and then using a spoon, because it's quite hot, I'm just squeezing out the garlic from the bulb, and it should just smush out like this, getting rid of the outside, and then creating a little well to pour all those delicious liquids and the garlic into the blender as well. And then I'm adding in my basil, crumbling in my stock cube and spices as well. Then 3 heaping teaspoons of the thick part of the coconut milk. The coconut milk adds a lovely rich creaminess to this dish. Then I'm going to pop the lid on and blend until smooth and creamy. So I've blended this for maybe 2 to 5 minutes until everything is all combined and you have a nice creamy thick soup. and now you're ready to serve. So I love to eat this with crusty bread, or it's absolutely delicious on its own. I'm garnishing it with a few basil leaves and it's ready to enjoy. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.